I just wanted to show you some of our roosters. There's one right there. Now they're all silky Easter egg or crosses basically. There's another one right there. A black one with the multicolored feathers. That's one. We have this one of our breeders. The silky right there is the other breeder that we've had for a while. And there's another rooster right there. See the white one? Now the thing is, if you count them all up, there are 7 roosters around here. And that is way too many. As pretty as they are, I'm thinking if I can't find anybody that wants them, these are going in a stew pot. I mean, we've kept that guy back there and the silky for a while. But all the rest of them are new, and somebody that needs to take them or we're going to eat them. Kind of a shame though, they're really handsome birds, aren't they?